For real. So get some stuff for this.
Give me some stuff.
The installation.
Oh, I have to look.
Yeah, because otherwise it heat that. Alright, so we're coming in today. We're gonna get this 64 back in here. Alright, so this baby been sitting here for a couple of weeks. He had the engine rebuilt, everything. This baby should fire right up. Alright, so we're gonna be firing this rev up. It's been sitting here for about 2 weeks. 2.5, 3 weeks. We're gonna fire it up. Should fire straight up. Woo! That baby fired right up. Ooh. Oh, stop. Dwayne. Uh-oh, Dwayne. Watch out now. Watch out, Dwayne. Come on. That baby almost look like Christine in the front, don't it? What's that hanging down in the front? That baby sounding good though. Alright, so the carbon monoxide detector, because this baby is kicking up some fumes apparently. But boy, me and BINK been working on this one. Been working on this one for quite a while. He been getting it together. It's getting there, guys. But I mean, I kind of went all off into this one for him. I got the bottle, air conditioner stuff all painted, all besides the new condenser and stuff that he put on here. Too late to paint it now, but just everything, the VIN tag, just everything. It's painted on this one. Took this one off the frame. Did off frame restoration on it. So I just got to finish it up for him now. I don't know if he got, but we need to, you know, put the stuff up in here to make sure that the heat. But we switching this hood out. This hood was all body worked, but apparently I didn't know that it had been hit right here, and I body worked it off the car. You see it's even over here, but over here, so this was just ain't right. So got another hood back there, gonna put on here. I already got it jammed out, but yeah, this one is just I've got all his interior done already. I got you know, my famous sound deadening in there, but the Riviera sign, all of this, this car is kind of detailed like my showstopper. I call it the showstopper too, but I don't know. So the seats, I see they got it, still got a little dirty. People working on it. A few dirt spots on there, but 64 Riviera, back seat is all done. Everything's done. We just got to put this one together. I sand it down, paint it. But she's gonna look pretty good. He's the one with a two-tone. He want two-tone on here, so this will be cream, and this is gonna be this color of the car. So she's coming along pretty good here, guys. I'm gonna quit for tonight though, and I will be starting tomorrow.